My factory is making PVC electrical insulation tips. This is our manual cutting machine and automatic 2-shafts cutting machine. And we want to pack our tips like this with our label. Do you have such machine do this?
Is it like this way? Check.
Yes, exactly the same.
Follow us and take you a touring of our local customer's PVC tape making factory. This is a complete line from single tape packing to multi-rows packing together. This is the main packing station for the single-piece packing. There is a rotating round disc fixes 16 pieces tapes sitting. It rotates and keeps on loading raw tape rolls and unloading the well-packed tape rolls. Here is the labeling station. There are 4 vacuum stack heights. Each time, 2 heights catch 2 pieces label and rotate. Put onto 2 tapes surface, then go back. Another 2 heights, rotate and suck, and keep next 2 pieces label ready. Same thing repeated. Tape rolls get labeled and shrinked continuously. Shrinked at the shrink station by hot air right pipe. Every minute, it can pack 75 pieces. Now the tips are on the conveyor heading to the multi-rows packing station. See, this line totally needs 1 staff only. The lady staff feed the new tips into the rotary round feeding station. Then the tips will continuously and automatically go to the main packing station and get packed with label. Finally, make multi-rows together by this multi-rows packing machine. Then going into the shrinking oven chamber, so the packing film gets shrinked, same time tips get wrapped. Done, ready for sale.
Wow, that is great!
See our packing quality. How is it? This line length 3 meter, width 1.6 meter, and height 1.9. 75 pieces per minute packing speed. Total connected power load 5 kilowatt. Machine built up by top quality brand components from Germany, Japan, and Taiwan. Transportation by wooden case. Thanks and happy for watching our video. Here are our contacts. Welcome to join the professionals.